Hello, YouTubers. I'm not an expert, and if you've been watching, I recently posted a flea market finds video where some of the things I found were a couple of Yankee drills and a little tiny egg beater drill, a little hand drill, or as a really old guy would say, cordless drills. So I thought, hey, let's do a shootout, see which one's better. There seemed to be an age difference in the Yankee drills. This drill had fluted bits. You see the flutes there. So I get my hand up here so it'll focus. Now that's cut, and that's a bit that's supposed to cut in both directions. That one looks pretty clean. This one had a couple fluted bits in it, but mostly it had these spiral bits. And I thought I got a bunch of bits, but actually this bit, look straight, this bit was duplicated, and some of the other ones were duplicates, but that's cool. Here's one of the duplicates in this little tiny twist drill. Now I oiled them all up, 3-in-1 oil. There's an oil hole in there, so I gave them a little oil. They got a little rust on them. So let's see what it takes to drill a hole through this wood. We'll just go all the way till I think I've put a hole in my bench top. Oh, this is kind of hard to do. Ugh. Yeah, that's close enough. That was like 20. It was a little awkward. Can't really say it was a great experience. All right, here's this one. I didn't count that, but it was a lot easier. Okay, so the spiral bit definitely beats the fluted bit. But let's now go for the third method, hand cranking. Okay, well, I didn't go as deep, did I? Okay, let's go a little deeper. All right. Well, my personal opinion, that's actually a little bit of a large bit for this little drill, but it works. And out of the first thing I can say is this was definitely easier. But the spiral bit worked pretty good, and I think with smaller bits this would be easier. That's the biggest bit it had, which is 0.17 inches, which I'm not sure how big that is. I'm going to have to figure that out. Somebody figure that out. Put in a comment. What's 0.17 inches in fractions? I'll figure it out. That's also 0.17 inches. So the fluted bits were kind of the hardest to use. Now the nice thing about this was it fit in your toolbox. Pretty easy to haul around if you just need to drill an occasional hole. Like maybe you're a handyman and you don't drill a lot of holes. But this also would fit pretty easily, and I'd say does the work just as well. So I don't know. You gotta make your own decision. What do you want to do with a drill? None of them are as easy to use as, say, a 12-volt cordless drill. That's for sure. But pretty cool. All right. That's all I got for now. We'll catch you later.